Okay guys, I do another cast. This is part 2, Passaic River fishing. So I just cast. So sorry again, I recorded with my phone. So let's see if you guys can catch the action. They bite very quick. The action in this river is pretty good. The best time to fish in Passaic River is the outgoing tide and incoming tide. That's the best time. A lot of bites. You get a lot of bites. And if you use clams, soundworm or blowworm, you catch this river. You can catch also with bunker, catfish, and striped bass. I just catch one early, so I'm not gonna be fishing too much time. I have to go like maybe 15 minutes. So let's see. Stay tuned. Here we go, I got a bite. Here we go, guys. Here we go, bye. Yeah, he's there, guys. He's here. He's here. Let's see. It's so small. Again, I mean, sometimes they got big perch, but now it's just something this is small. Can be an eel. They got eels here too. Feel small, very small, tiny. Yeah, it's a small. Look, guys, that's another smallie white perch. Okay, I have to take it from the hook. So see you guys later.